Now that it's officially spring, it's time to add a few new dishes to our dinner time routine. So, what do you say we make a farm stand favorite that combines a bunch of spring veggies with a yummy lemon vinaigrette? Sounds pretty good, doesn't it? Let me show you. The first thing you want to do is blanch a bunch of fresh asparagus until it's tender. Then, to stop the cooking, we place them in ice water. Next, we cut up some radishes into thin slices. Just make sure you tuck your knuckles in, like this, when you're cutting them so you don't nick yourself. Now we cut the asparagus into pieces and add those to the radishes, along with some scallions and lemon zest. To give our salad its fresh taste, we make a dressing by whisking together lemon juice and sugar. And once the sugar's dissolved, we add olive oil and a bit of salt. We pour this over the veggies and into the fridge it goes. It may be simple, but let me tell you, the combo of the flavors is so refreshing. You see, you get the crunch from the radishes, the zing from the lemon, and the earthiness from the asparagus. To get the recipe for our Lemony Asparagus and Radish salad, simply visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we discovered a spring-tastic way for you to say, "Ooh, it's so good."